Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. In our last video, we take a topic linear equation in one variable. In previous class, we have solved equation of x and find the value of x. In today's topic, we have making equation. Given in question some condition and we will make a equation and find out the value of x. In exercise 2.2, question number first, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? What is the number? Let's assume the number is x. Let the number is x. So beginning from question, if you subtract half from a number is x, so you subtract half from x is given in question. You have subtract half from the number then and multiply the result. Result is this. This is a result. Multiply this result by half. Multiply this result by half. You get 1 by 8. You get equal to a number 1 by 8. You get answer 1 by 8. What is the number? Find the value of x. Then this is our equation. We have to solve the value of x. First of all, 1 by 2. Okay. Move to another side will be divide number will goes to multiply number, or simply we have to remove half, so we multiply by 2 both side. Multiply by 2 in both sides. 2 upon 2 x minus half, multiply by 2, and 2 upon 8. 2 and 2 cancel out. This number is 1 by 4. X minus half is equal to 1 by 4. Then minus half goes to right hand side by plus half. Transposing half to right hand side. There left hand side there is x, half move to this side, 1 by 4 minus half goes to plus half. There are two rational number, we have to add these number. When we add these number, the denominator part will be equal. What to do to convert 2 into 4? We will multiply by 2, then we get 4. X is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 multiply by 2. Then x is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4 plus multiply 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. The denominator part is equal, so we can add these number. 4 and 4, 4, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3 by 4. Our question, what is the number? Number is x, so answer is 3 by 4. So the number is 3 by 4. We can cross check the answer in our rough copy. Subtract half from a number. Number is 3 by 4. This is our rough. Subtract half from the number. The number is this. Subtract half. Multiply the result by half. Multiply by result by half. You get 1 by 8. What we get? 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. We have to equal denominator, so multiply by 2. 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 1 by 2. Denominator is equal, then 4. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1 by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 4. Then multiply 1 into 1. 1, 2 into 4, 8. By result we get 1 by 8. You get 1 by 8. So our answer is correct. This is our final answer. This is our rough copy work for cross check the answer. So from beginning, if you subtract half from a number, multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? What is the number? Find the number. Let assume that number is x as given in question. Subtract half from number. Number is x. Subtract half from x. Subtract half from x. Multiply the result. This is the final result. Multiply this by half. By half, you get 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 8. This is our equation. You have to find a equation, then find the value of x. In this equation there is divide by 2, so we multiply by 2. The multiply by 2 in both sides. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. These 2 and 2 cancel. Cut by 2. This 1 time, this 4 time. Then x minus half is equal to 1 by 4, transposing 1 by 2. When we transpose any number, we have to change the sign. This is minus, so move to right hand side, will be plus. Will be plus. When adding to fraction number, we will make sure that denominator will be equal. 2 will be converted to 4. We have to multiply by 2. We multiply by 2. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Denominator is equal. Taking LCM. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 by 4. X is equal to 3 by 4. X is our number. So the number is 3 by 4. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot. We have to move to another question. So student, our next question is the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. First of all, perimeter of rectangular. Perimeter of rectangle. This is a rectangle. Perimeter. The formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. The perimeter is given in question 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. This is our length and this is our breadth. Length is 2 meter more than twice. Let assume breadth is x, twice the breadth, and 2 meter more, This is our equation. Let assume breadth is x, twice means 2x, more than means plus 2. 2x plus 2 is its length. What is the length and breadth of the pool? So we have to find the value of x. By putting the value of x, we will find breadth, and then by this equation we will find the length. So this is our concept. In answer, let assume breadth of rectangular swimming pool is x. The breadth is x. Is given in question, length is 2x plus 2, twice the breadth, more than 2. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Given in question, perimeter of rectangle is 154, 2, length is 2x plus 2, breadth is x. 154 is equal to 2 into. When adding value of x, 2 times x plus 1 times x, 2 times x plus 1 times x, 2 times plus 1 times 3 times x plus 2. We have to remove 2. For removing 2, we can divide by 2 when 2 is cancelled. Dividing both sides by 2. 154 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 3x plus 2. By dividing 2 7 times and 7 times is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we have to move 2 to left hand side, transposing 2 to left hand side. 2 is plus 2, when move to left hand side will be minus 2. 77 minus 2 is equal to 3x. This is our rough. Now in this equation, 77 minus 2, 75 is equal to 3x. 75 is equal to 3x. Now we divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. 75 divided by 3, 3x divided by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. Divide by 3. 2 times 6, remaining is 1. 15, 15, 5. X is equal to 5. So breadth is x is equal to 25 meter, length is 2x plus 2, so 2 into x, value of x is 25 plus 2, 50 plus 2, 52. The answer is 52. From beginning of question, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. We have to know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length and breadth. Given in question, this is perimeter is 154. The length is 2 meter more than twice of this breadth. What is breadth? We have to know the breadth. So let assume breadth is x. Then twice the breadth, 2x, more than 2 means plus 2. The breadth is x, length is 2x plus 2. What are the length and breadth of this swimming pool? So in answer, let assume the breadth of rectangular swimming pool is x. As given in question, length is 2x plus 2. The formula of perimeter of rectangular is 2 into length plus breadth. The value of length 2x plus 2, breadth is x. When adding this, 2 times x, 1 times x, total 3 times x, remaining is plus 2. We have to remove 2, this is multiply, so we divide. Dividing both side by 2, dividing by 2, this 2 and 2 is cancel, and dividing by 2 we get 77. 77 3x plus 2. Transposing 2, this is plus 2. When this move to left hand side will be minus 2. So this is minus 2. 77 minus 2 is 75. 75 is equal to 3x. We have to remove 3. This is 3 in multiplication. So we divide by 3. Dividing both side by 3. 75 divided by 3, 3x divided by 3. 3 and 3 are cancel out. Then dividing by 3 we get 25. 25 is equal to x. What is x? X is our breadth. Breadth of rectangular swimming pool is x. So breadth is x. X is 25 meter. Length is 2x plus 2. Put the value of x. X is 25. 2 into 25, 50. 50 plus 2, 52 meter. So this is our final answer. Take a screenshot. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. First of all, what is isosceles triangle? This is a triangle in which two sides are equal, called isosceles triangle. In which two sides of a triangle are equal, called isosceles triangle. The base of this triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. This is the base. Base is 4 by 3 centimeter, which is given. The perimeter of the triangle is given for 2 by 15. Perimeter of triangle. What is the formula of perimeter of triangle? The perimeter of triangle is formula A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means addition of three sides, 1, 2 and 3. Addition of these three sides is called perimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal side? What is the length? What is the length? This is question. Then assume that the length is x. This equal side, then this is x and this is x. Now we taking this question. First of all, we solve the perimeter in a fraction number given let assume, first of all we denote x, let assume length of equal sides of isoscale triangle is x. The length of equal side is x given perimeter of triangle is equal to 4 by 15. In this number is mixed number, we have to convert in fraction number. 15 to 4 multiply and then add 2. 15 into 4 then add by 2. 15 into 4 plus 2. Denominator is 15. 15 into 4 60 plus 2 62 divided by 15. This is the perimeter of triangle which is given in our question. Now formula of perimeter of triangle is equal to A plus B plus C, means perimeter is addition of three sides. In this question perimeter is 62 by 15. Three sides, first side 4 by 3 plus second side x plus third side x. We can add x plus x, 1 time x and 1 time x, 2 time x. Now four by 3 x plus x 2x. Now we transpose 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is positive, move to here will be negative. 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2x. For subtraction we have to equal denominator. 3 will be convert to 15 by multiply by 5. So we multiply by 5 second number. 4 by 3 multiply by 5 and divide by 5. Now 62 upon 15 minus 4 into 5 20, 3 into 5 15 is equal to 2x. Now denominator is equal, so denominator is 15, numerator is 62 minus 20 is equal to 2x. When we subtract, answer is 42 divided by 15 is equal to 2x. Now this is 2x, 2 multiply. When we multiply by 2, to remove this 2 we have to divide by 2 this number. Dividing both sides by 2. 42 upon 15 then divide by 2. This is the divide by 2 is equal to 2x upon 2. This will be cancelled. We can divide 2 in 42. The answer is 21 upon 15 is equal to x. We can cut this number by 3. When we cut this number by 3, this is 7, this is 5 x. The value of x is 7 by 5. What is the x? X is the length of equal side. So length of equal sides is 7 by 5 centimeter. So the length of equal side is 7 by 5 centimeter. Now taking beginning of the question, the base of isosceles triangle. What is the definition of isosceles triangle? This is a triangle in which two sides are equal. For assume these sides is x. The base is 4 by 3. The base is this. Third side is 4 by 3. Perimeter of triangle. Write down the formula of perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is addition of three sides. Addition of these three sides. The perimeter is 4, 2 by 15. This is a mixed number. Mixed fraction number we have to convert in fraction number. So 15 into 4 plus 2. 15 into 4 plus 2. Denominator is 15. 15 into 4, 16 plus 2, 62 by 15. This is the perimeter. Formula of perimeter of triangle, addition of three sides. Given perimeter is 62 by 15 and three sides is 4 by 3, x and x, x and x. X plus x will be 2x. This is 2x. Now transpose 4 by 3 to left hand side. This is plus 4 by 3. Move to this side is minus 4 by 3. This is minus 4 by 3. When we subtract to fraction number, we have to same denominator number. 3 will convert to 15 by multiply by 5. So this number multiply by and divide by 5. 4 into 5, 20. 3 into 5, 15. Now denominator is same. So denominator is 15. 62 minus 20, answer is 42. Now we have to remove these 2. This is multiply by 2, so we divide by 2. Dividing both side by 2. First left hand side is this, divide by 2. Right hand side is 2x, divide by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel out. This 2 will divide 42. Answer is 21. 21 by 15. Now we can cut these two number by 3. When we divide by 3, answer is 7. When we divide by 3, answer is 5. So x is equal to 7 by 5. What is the x? X is the length of equal side. So length of equal side is 7 by 5. You can take a screenshot. So student, our next question is question number 5. Two numbers in ratio of 5:3, if they differ by 18, what are the numbers? The numbers cannot assume that direct x because they are in ratio. So in answer we write down given ratio of two number is 5:3. So assume first number is 5x and another is 3x. In this type of question, when question given in ratio, we use a multiplier x. 5 ratio 3, then first number is 5x, second number is 3x. So first line will be attended. Second line, if they differ, differ means difference. There are difference is subtraction. The both number subtract each other by 18, means answer is 18, is given in question. Number differ by 18 is 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. The difference is 18. So difference is equal to 18. What are the number? First of all, we find the value of x. When we putting the value of x here and here, we can find the both numbers. 5 times x minus 3 times x, answer is 2 times x is equal to 18, dividing by 2 both sides. 2x divided by 2, 18 divided by 2. Then here value is x, 18 by 2 is 9. The value of x is 9. So our first number is 5x. Put the value of x. X is 9. 5 into 9 is 45. And another number is 3x. 3 into value of x is 9. 3 into 9, 27. These are our two number 45 and 27. Check that difference. If we check the difference, we will get 8. This is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 18. Difference is 18. Difference by 18. So our answer is right. Let beginning of this question, two numbers in ratio of 5 ratio 3. When 5 ratio 3, we will take first number 5x, second number 3x. First number is 5x, another is 3x. They differ by 18. The difference between them is equal to 18. The difference means subtraction. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 18. The value of x is 9. What are the number? Number is 5x and 3x. The first number is 5x. Put the value of x. X is 9. 5 into 9, 45. Another number is 3x. 3 into 9, 27. Our two number is 45 and 27. So student, we will take another question in next video. Thank you for watching this video.